Hello everyone, it is our great pleasure to introduce you our bamboo toothbrush milling machine. It is used for shape forming of bamboo toothbrush handle. This machine is very easy for using and the worker is only need to load the bamboo strip material into the holder. This machine is automatically materials discharging. One person can operate more than one machine. This is a bamboo material which we use for making bamboo toothbrush handle. Our company is the most professional machine supply for bamboo toothbrush making machines. For more detailed information, welcome to contact us. Welcome to email us or WhatsApp us. Thank you. Thank you for your kind watching.